The Global Mapper Pro interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and access the software's powerful tools and features. Here is an overview of the main components of the Global Mapper Pro interface. Menu bar. The menu bar is located at the top of the screen and contains all the main commands for accessing the software's tools and features. Toolbars. The toolbars are located below the menu bar and provide quick access to frequently used commands, such as opening a new file, saving a file, and zooming in and out. Map display. The map display occupies the majority of the screen and shows the loaded data, allowing users to visualize and analyze geospatial information. Users can zoom in and out, pan, and rotate the map display to focus on specific areas of interest. Layer control. The layer control is located on the left side of the screen and displays the loaded layers in a tree-like structure. Users can use the layer control to turn layers on and off, adjust their visibility and opacity, and reorder them. Status bar. The status bar is located at the bottom of the screen and displays information about the loaded data, such as the scale, coordinates, and projection. Overall, the Global Mapper Pro interface is designed to be highly customizable, allowing users to adjust the layout and appearance of the interface to suit their preferences and workflows. With its user-friendly design and powerful tools, Global Mapper Pro is a versatile and essential tool for geospatial analysis and management. To conclude the tutorial video on the interface of Global Mapper Pro, it's important to emphasize the versatility and power of this software for geospatial data analysis, mapping, and visualization. Global Mapper Pro is a comprehensive tool that can handle a wide range of data types and formats, and provides many powerful analysis and editing tools to help users make the most of their geospatial data. In addition, Global Mapper Pro is user-friendly and easy to learn, with a well-designed interface that makes it easy to navigate and access the various tools and features. With the tips and tricks shared in this tutorial video, users can become even more proficient in using Global Mapper Pro and unlock its full potential for their geospatial projects. So whether you are a GIS professional, cartographer, environmental scientist, or any other professional working with geospatial data, Global Mapper Pro can be an invaluable tool in your toolbox. We hope this tutorial video has provided you with a solid foundation for using Global Mapper Pro and exploring all its capabilities.